Welcome back. From hipsters to seniors, there's a city for everyone. PricewaterhouseCoopers releasing its annual ranking of America's top cities. They're looking at emerging trends in real estate. Joining me right now is PricewaterhouseCoopers partner Mitch Roschelle. Mitch, good to see you.
Thanks, Maria.
Thank you so much for joining us. So what did you put into this in terms of the top trends? What are you looking at?
So I'll give you a little bit of background.
Yeah.
We have 1,000 real estate executives from across the country who weigh in on where they think the best place to invest, build homes, and develop real estate, and Austin was number one.
Austin, Texas. Why?
Partly the hipster thing that you had in the lead. Fact of the matter is the millennial population there is 5% larger than the millennial population in the United States, and it's growing 7 times faster than the millennial population in the United States. And millennials are who the workers are for the future, so that's why investors want to be where the kids are.
I know Seattle is on that list as well. I tend to think of Seattle in that regard, too. A lot of millennials, young people, and a nice quality of life.
I would say it's the Southwest version of Seattle a little bit.
Yeah, but Texas is at the top, too.
Dallas is number 2. Dallas was number 1 last year. It's number 2 this year. Dallas is more about economic diversity because it's not as I was there yesterday. It's not as concentrated on technology. There's a lot of other industries there.
Okay. So tell me more about Austin then.
So what's really fascinating about Austin is it's sort of the opposite of Field of Dreams. You know, in Field of Dreams, if you build it, they will come. The story in Austin and real estate is they're building and they're investing because the kids are already there. And we have a skilled labor shortage in the United States. And what we heard in our survey process was investors want to go where the workers for the future are, and Austin's one of those places.
They also, well, there are job opportunities there and these niche neighborhoods.
Yes. So a niche neighborhood is Richmond, Virginia, which is one of our up-and-coming cities on the list, is a perfect example, where there are these little pockets that are sort of Austin-like, and people are gravitating there because they have a mix of culture, and not your traditional neighborhood. So we're finding that that's sort of another trend that's emerging this year.
This list, you've got markets to watch: Columbus, Ohio; Richmond, Virginia; Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania; Charleston, South Carolina; Salt Lake City, Utah. Why are these markets to watch?
They all have some things in common. It's an affordable place to do business, and it's an affordable place to live. So when kids graduate from college, they're going to go where they can afford to live. Some of those cities are college towns. Columbus, Ohio, which I guess is a cold version of Austin. So you have all these kids coming out of college, and the towns tend to be sticky. They like living there. And then employers go there because it's an affordable place for them to do business, and you have this good virtuous cycle.
When you go, let me go back to Austin for a second. Austin, Dallas, the value of a home, are you expecting that to go up in the coming years? What's the average price so our viewers can understand in terms of buying a home there?
Great question. So Dallas's home value, the median home value in Dallas is lower than a national average. Austin was a year ago, but it spiked up quite a bit in the last year. There's a herd mentality in real estate, right? No question about it. So as people gravitate towards places like Austin with supply and demand, and there's not a lot of new supply, prices are going to go up. But both, we're talking in the $200,000 range, high 200,000s, as the median home price for Dallas and Austin, respectively. And that's a big difference from some of these other cities like Seattle, which is in the 4s.
Right. Well, that's really good because not only is the value of your home going up, but you're seeing more job opportunities.
Yeah, a lot. And, you know, everybody says
technology jobs, too.
And there's also what I'd call eds and meds in Austin. Because of the university, there's jobs in healthcare, there's jobs in education, and there's jobs in other service industries. Everybody says in real estate it's location, location, location.
Yeah.
I'll argue that it's really about jobs. So it's really jobs, 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 more than location, location, location.
What else creates the value of your home to go up? I mean, school systems, population growth. What are the other things you look at that impact the value of your home going up?
I would say community is a big part of it, right? So in these places where, like in Austin, where you have a university that provides cultural and arts opportunities, where it's, you know, what happens is when baby boomers retire, they often want to sell their home. What's happening statistically is the millennials are moving into their parents' homes, not literally their parents, but statistically. But you want baby boomers to stay so that you still have demand in the market.
Sure.
And you need culture and the arts for that to really work.
Interesting stuff. Mitch, great list. Thank you so
Maria.
much. We'll see you soon.
Okay, thanks.
Mitch Roschelle joining us there.